All right, thanks for taking a peek at our overview video on our 37 horsepower HotJet 2 hot water gas engine jetter. It's features a 37 horsepower Toyota engine. It's made in Georgia, so it's US made. We're going to go through that, but this is operational. One thing I like to talk about in class, and we can include it with each, or we do include it, that sounds better, is our 36-point little diagnostic tester that's made just for this engine. So it'll throw the code if you're having any type of problem. You don't need a big computer. That's one huge advantage to this unit. Okay, so we're going to run this as well. So operational. Make sure the hitch is the right size. This is 2 5/16. You can adjust this up or down. You want to check your load that it's riding level. Make sure your jack stands up. This is all in your operational material, but this is an overview. Check your oil. Make sure your muffler's not hot. Oil drains are down here. You can easily pull this panel off to service, which we love. Of course, pump, pulsation, water filters right here. Diesel fuel in this tank, red's gas. Burner system, fuel pump, igniter, blower filter here for the fuel that burns the heater. That needs to be changed regular. And I don't, in our material it's always covered, but after 5 hours, change the engine oil. It's got a lot of zinc in it, and so you want to have it, get it out after 5 hours, and only use Mobil 1 pure synthetic on the engine. You know, 1030, 1540, 540, doesn't really matter. But unless you're in a really cold area, you want that oil to flow in the winter. Battery box, detergent tank. Oh, that's toolbox I'm bumping into. Inside the toolbox, real quick, this unit's got everything. It's got the stingers. These are so the hose doesn't turn around on itself. All this safety materials, not only in your books, but it's on the equipment itself. And for California, we do the Prop 65 labeling. It's got our new wedge cutter nozzle. This guy's getting the works. Power wash nozzles, if you can run as a power washer. Gloves, glasses, remote control, we'll cover that. I love these glasses. They give you full coverage. Freddie's got some on, but they're good. If you need the, there he is, he's giggling over there. What's he drinking? Another round of drug test for all the guys. Oh, this is operational. It's supposed to be serious. All right. Face guard them if you want to use it. I mean, you know, it's out there. Safety vests, you don't get run over in the parking lot. Fuel additive. So for operational, you want to add a little bit of the soot remover to the diesel fuel. There's that little filter. Got an extra filter for your fuel filter. Warthog service kits. He's got 2 of those because he's going to run the heck out of that, which I know John does. Let's order this. We're going to use those nozzles in a little bit. Okay, so again, operationals right here. How to operate. How to overrun the low water shutoff. We're going to run this as well. Freddie, go ahead and set this up while I'm doing a walk around. So that's your small jump jet reel. We can also put it on wheels. This way it fits right in the toolbox. So, yeah, I need to get that hooked up over there. All right. So full, God, I'm losing my voice. Full rear controls, low water. If you arm it, that's when you antifreeze. That'll bypass the low water shutoff. Kind of close those guys out. Burner on and off. It'll show the temperature here. These are for lights. For the lights, if you want them on or off. Whether you're going to run it on remote or not. Key on and off, so you can take that. Okay. This unit has full hydraulic. Kind of go in on this. Hydraulic in, hydraulic out. You can also vary the amount of hydraulic fluid you want to flow through the, oh, but sneeze. Don't sneeze. I'm making a video. Okay, this part here is called your stinger. You want to make sure this hose isn't going to turn around in the pipe at you. So we pre-installed that. We put the Warthog nozzle on. You don't have to over tighten any of this. One thing I will show on this Warthog, let me just show that while we're right here, is this gasket. Yeah, that's on there good and tight. You want to make sure the gasket's on good and tight. So you can actually plug this front nozzle if you want to have more pulling power. So just call us on that. We'll spec in any size for any size machine. I'll make sure that's on right. Feels right to right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and run that in a minute. This hose reel guide, we're gonna take it off probably this way. Let's see, Freddie, let's go ahead and get that through the tiger tail into a pipe.
Yes, sir.
Back here on the controls, we'll show that. Okay, that's the off position. On's up here, off. This is your starting position. That's in the bypass mode. This mode activates the reels. So that shoots the water up to either reel. Again, bypass mode, starting mode. If you're finished, you can lift this up, throttle down, kill it. Don't ever pull a live hose out of the pipe. It will go wild and can hurt somebody or property. Or if it hit you just wrong, you'd have to buy some new dental work. Still paying on mine. Probably. See that dental bill. Watch out for those dentists. So throttle's right here. Quick throttle's right there. If you want to just throttle up slow, or you can quick throttle. Cummins makes those. Good name, Cummins. Again, startup mode, off, off. When you're ready to go, you can turn that on, activate the reels, then throttle up. Pretty good method right there. So that's your startup position, off, off. This is for the foot pedal control, which we'll show, to do the smaller laterals. We'll clean that pipe here in a minute. Garden hose feed. You know, if you're a 200-gallon tank like this, I'd want to start filling almost when I get to the job. Fast fill if you need it. Other toolbox. Get your cones out. There's your tiger tail. Here's your vacuum pump. Okay, that's good for this video. We'll show the next video full operational. Thanks.